Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting hardware ready. Power on the Bluetooth speaker and put it into pairing mode so the TV can find it. On your Coby Smart TV, open Settings and go straight to Sound or Accessories. Look for Bluetooth or Pair New Device. Make sure the speaker sits close, with other Bluetooth devices off. This reduces interference and speeds discovery. Once the TV is scanning, you'll be ready to select the speaker. This is essential because the TV can only pair when the speaker actively advertises itself. Next, choose the speaker from the list the TV displays, tap or press OK to start pairing, and if a PIN appears, type it. 0000 or 1234 are common defaults. Once paired, change the TV's audio output to Bluetooth so all sound routes to the speaker, and confirm the TV indicates it's connected. Make sure both volumes are up. If dialogue lags, go to Audio Settings and enable audio delay or lip sync adjustments. This step ties the signal path together, so you finish by playing a short clip to confirm audio comes from the speaker and that volume and sync are correct. If you don't hear sound, power cycle both devices, then retry pairing. This clears transient Bluetooth states. Make sure no other paired device takes priority. If problems persist, remove the speaker from the TV's Bluetooth list and reset the speaker to factory defaults before pairing again. One key troubleshooting tip: always reboot both devices first. Most pairing errors resolve after a simple restart.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.